So hello everyone. Today I will talk about VueGen, a tool to automate the creation of scientific reports. So in research projects, we produce a lot of outputs like plots, tables, statistical analysis, and more. Just like the researcher in this illustration, we are always exploring new insights and end up with a growing collection of materials to manage. But when it's time to organize and share this information, things can get messy. Like the scientists on the right illustration, we often feel overwhelmed by the amount of information we have generated. And creating reports to summarize this can feel like a second project, especially for those without a technical background. So let's see like a real life example. Let's say that Carla runs a sequencing pipeline and gets some quality control plots. And also she does the exploratory data analysis in R. And then Carlos runs a statistical analysis using Python and other tools and obtaining like more outputs. But now they want to compile everything into a single report to share with a collaborator. But the process like seems challenging, and they wonder if there is a tool that can help with this. And to help researchers like Carla and Pablo, we created VueGen, and here is how it works. So with VueGen, users provide a directory with the output files. The reports are composed of sections, subsections, and each of these has components that can be plots, tables, markdown files, HTML, and data from API calls and chatbots. The components can be interactive or static, depending on the input file and the report type. And VueGen supports various multiple formats, including PDF, HTML, and docx documents, PPTX and Rebel.js presentations, Jupyter notebooks, and streamlit web applications. Users can also kind of define the reports with a configuration file, either from a template or from one auto-generated by VueGen. And this is how the configuration file looks like. And here users can specify all report elements, and they control aspects like descriptions, titles, captions, and other things. And now here's a short demo, a short video to show VueGen in action. So here we have in the folder that we want to create the report from, and we passed like the path to the directory and the report type, in this case a streamlit web application. Now a folder was generated with the scripts needed to create this web application. And now we will run the web application. And for each section and subsection, we will create kind of these tabs. And here we have like the different interactive plots generated with Plotly or Altair. We have the different static plots from different formats. We have tables from CSV, Excel with multiple sheets, and all of this is kind of interactive. We have also interactive networks, static networks also from images. We also support HTML components and also Markdown. And now we will extend this report using the generated configuration file with API call and chatbot components. So now we run the program again, like passing the configuration file path and the report type. And we pass an argument to auto-run the web application. And here we have like a GET request to Uniprot, and we have the result here, and you can apply other methods. And here there's an example of a chatbot using a local server with Olama. Yes, and so VueGen is available as a Python package, a Docker image, an NF Core module, and also as a desktop application for Windows and macOS, making it accessible for different user needs and expertise levels. So these are some features that we plan to work on, and we are open to kind of suggestions from the community. Finally, a big thank you to my supervisors, Alberto Santos and Henry Bebel, and all the amazing people from the Multiomics Network Analytics Group and the informatics platform at DTU Valle Sustain. And also a big thanks to the open source projects and communities that VueGen is built upon. And here are some links if you want to know more. And also you can scan the QR to read the paper that we published on Bioinformatics Advances. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.